Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you just how dirty some computers can be. Doing repairs and stuff, you'd be amazed to see how much dust can be in a computer. Just by looking at the back. The power supply fan, you can see all sorts of dust. Really bunches of dust clogged up in here, and this in the exhaust fan on the case. You look down here, you'll see dust down here. A bunch of dust right here up to here. But just wait till we open the case. Which now I had the case door open, which just wasn't quite as bad as I thought. I mean, there's a pretty good bit of dust in the CPU core, and there's some dust in the fan, like you can really tell in the back, so it couldn't breathe really well. There's some dust in the bottom of it and all kind of stuff. But a lot of times I've seen where, you know, so much dust in the cooler where air could not even get through it, causing the processor to overheat. This will show you how dirty some computers are that I have to work with. Which now we're about to clean this one. You're about to see some dust fly. Which now I got the compressor building up some air. We're going to be using this tool to clean this thing out. Alrighty. As you can see now, it's much cleaner. No more dust anymore. When the system's clean like this, it can cool itself a lot better. It's more efficient. Like I say, I've seen much worse systems that were, let's say, much more dirty than what that one was. But there you have it. This is an example of some of the systems I had to clean.